Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, skid plates, and voice-activated navigation. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.